Alafu IKP baire bagatinda uba mami ikukara becho akamegacha nukuona nyomba ile cyo ijerire wekete ara cyo retoka ka classroom icyo retoka ka dispensary kara ara ugatoka ngara beri cyo ijere nukuona kidiri ndara chaje tukuere burere gituki anto wita kwa IKP camps na dispensary zitina staff na medical nini ugatoka kandracha era nto bakombo connect from one place to the other ndina mburi yako nkamenya mburi yeje yakonda myunukero uterera rungi ngeta nananga gura mpempe nayo karanya to exchange manze jo anto batari kweta bakidukana gethai
so kuri mtu moku wa hai tutumire message mapema kidogo arua hai weru Uhuru anajitengenezea kura. Huu ni uongo mtupu. Tena Uhuru hakuna kitu ametufanyia, tumezoea uongo.
Nte agree with totally. Uhuru ku nagetete some extent. But most of his promises ichon connected fulfilled.
Kuna a lot of PR kere thirikari ya Jubilee, maybe I'd say
very much. There is a lot of PR. Na kwenyeri mwenye ba kuvunja sheria nonto sheria luga kire kagita akuringa campaign thirikari tebateri iko campaign na project ile getete nukuona lakini nukuona na ndinya ki media wetegero kona turiro manje SGR turiro manjera na mbi but yes there are a lot of broken promises nonto promises ile cha make cha laptops. Okay, we never got laptops turiro na tablets but even out of schools
very in 100 days
within Batonya
tuku anaremo kuma
nubara Batonyere kuna that is approximately 3 months ya kapikita katutirega kura then tukero 10,000 jobs to be created na 10,000 kilometers of roads.
Yoro arawere ate kirinkathiti the standard bawete kirikatasi kamera baru ate more jobs are on the way. The worker and the employer are like two sides of a coin. They depend on one another and should rise together.
More jobs are on the way. When? No kurikana batura na tora we are the leaders of tomorrow.
Yeah.
But no tora we are the leaders of tomorrow. Mwankari these jobs kai kezari ndiko Uhuru is promising
within these 3 months nilio jobs.
Ugatungu kurikana 3 months hizi ugeta na no employer wata ina jobs zika uma. Are they going to retrench people? Mena ku kintu kemanto bateri ku in job creation Martin either the government and the government cannot absorb all this workforce. Unda Trump odikire campaign Trump bwaganda mwendeta muno Trump ogere employment na kudili nyana the antu baba ndeguru the low earning people. What you have to do is to empower them, entrepreneurship. Dirikare eje kana ni other government bateri kuja na means cha mwana primary na guita no terazimo waandiko terazimo tere mwisho mweri ukaretero ideas, entrepreneurship ideas. Pokati mandere ko nenkero yi abagwedere n'ingirizi n'ingirithano terazimo spend all of it o ingaskurute terazimo ejogora jeans rero kana ore dimwere rero you can be saving that
brand expected kuma kire kinyeki dirikari nene na kinya dirikari cha county nonto Uhuru repa campaigning kuri kana bakila launch manifesto ni bogure ate ukethera kwina industries kire counties kokethera kwina machukuru ya bundi notea kire ma counties I expected this na maybe boni bobo can generate jobs nonto altobani kontogoni kukubwidwa mbecha. Let's say for example in industries industry ya kwa imwe kana ithatu imena imenti north kwisi south kurisi interesi gembe nara like kuri ndira kutweka ni ya kairi unproductive go build a company there
kabo watamanzi industries non tutegetan jabatu we produce the raw goods the raw materials we export them alafu we import them when they are finished goods.
What's that?
More expensively. Industries hizi kidai badiro bawete kidirija meru idiri sedeje metongo kana pamoja na marigo juma mono tugaka ninie marigo industry marigo kidiri nara nchunko chuma mono nonto chu kweno chuma to kadide the same thing we be ewe ga create employment inde kuga jamanja bawete just kuranga technical ni sawa they have gone back with the technical institutions vocational training centers. Ikinkuga there is a lot of workforce ego producer from our learning institutions indi bako me absorb
kuri mtu bonda ari no yao sometimes ago etawa kasisi kasisi zile na cast something ka tube ne product serio che kiri kundene na irio biu ka ba imported kuma Kenya and then tuka import the thing see so ne wakamata atubio kora bia ku kiondo ene wetete watu kure ya Nigeria wetete see ni irio bira we imported I think industry nzo yiki ya wokwa and then irio bira tu bikona market kwetu
waja by the utiki ntuge antu bendete ja kintu gya kwao Martin tegera antu bareto kona ja nini ampe ja example na nieze tawafia I like that man very much ezire na idea ne janu kuona afya na ndi ikompita na Coca-Cola ni international nini
hapa kwa hapa
tegera kintu ja tabitha kwa mbira Kerocho breweries ambiri kuroa so much but you see people love the products from Kerocho Industries tegera utumbo compare brand ja Tusker na brand ingi chitawa Ineken ichejete people love that thing kaite the radio isiko yani imagine gichiko gya kura
maybe should be empowered na ikawa kanya ka kwithro ikikura bonene na itetikiro maybe ko inyilo ne company racia international you see like thirikari ne bati kwithro eka mitaratara onto yo tigira ate ni kuina onto abuko kwithro ate local industry ikethro ikura bonene na kwewa kinya kanya ko kura
ikethri nyera subsidies ikingukura Trump na mwendeta muno Trump ugirora Americans bakuthithia na those Americans don't love America beta bageta Mexico bageta bakambira company no to the labor force in Mexico is very cheap but they are still citizens of the US kuna ndenya industry in Mexico igetonyi into US bigatonya bina subsidy rate taxation not their US citizens ahugire kidra company ile ome ikataxwa kulingana na nini na sheria cha go tax international companies intobia most of the countries tiankoere Martin na ni Kenya na most of the African countries ikontobiona to remain stagnant kana to remain poor nonto ikinto keuma ome tukage tax the same na kinto ya Kenya kana even lesser nonto angatuna nga international treaties what are these international treaties in the countries our laws you know kinto kiambere na sheria yugete kuna constitution of Kenya alafu laws laws acts of parliament alafu ndio kuna laws zingine tukajira
baka constitution ya Kenya but ni a sovereign state
Kenya is a very sovereign state kedra laws the international treaties iteko conform to our laws tutebateligo chichukia kuna ndira kagita kana tutoreto import kombe cha geke kuma Indonesia na kwa mtukulie kombe cha geke kuma Kenya tukaja tuka subsidize taxation in Indonesia no mtwangaito baikairia mawa kikombe hiki cha Kenya kendo shilingi 30 kikombe kile kime Kenya na kiotoa overtax
kwa mauria weta kuruki
ikenda kwa shilingi
so that means kile Indonesia no kikikauro
no kikikaura shilingi 30 so ibabateri kwa bena incentives the local producers and manufacturers bakadra bena subsidies cha taxation kidringa rejera ambere tie Kenya ngarejiri non tu locally made kana nyanga reche locally assembled chige example from a certain taxation kenda chidri nyachiri attractive na anto bakura tu anto batende take into cheap people have cheap things tegera sukari kuma unije tukendegera geni sukari we import sugar from outside sukari rega tonya Kenya ikedre very cheap
ekendo cheap ankuruki sukari
ya Kenya
okay na kiri mantu ya ngwataniro ya NASA tukirekana na mantu ya Labor Day kidogo NASA mutongeria wa kiama kia ODM ni watariro yari mutongeria wa NASA kana muriri wa gitegi ya urais na awire ati tokinya kanan ngano kera so that means na awire ati ni miaka 5 ni akwenda ya wathani so in those 5 years together tokinya kanan no kumnya kwera makena ndi compare kanan na kanan ni remba ibwera mbisi ya na engineer miaka 5 ya tokinya kanan
actually all these politicians, you know, tinga toka reto a new breed of politicians.
From where, wakiri?
Nande, ikiontoona bapita Kenneth Bageria, they fail. Nusumkata serikali tulikuwa nayo. You know, uti refresh ideas, Iraja Martin. These people have been in the government. What have they done while they were in the government? Mtu neza tuli nyamki ministry ndari. I did this and this and this and I was exceptional. Unda hari prime minister. What did I do? as a prime minister. Uona vice president ndi Kalonzo. What did I do? Tegera mtu za Isaac Ruto. You know, mtu za Isaac Ruto abatari gotura ke countewe. What he has done. Musaile nare ni, you know, the minister. And then these people only can together nikirandikari yake. Nasa that is even a very big chance with a Jubilee. Non to akenye be umiete. In na manifesto yao meon pendete siasa kulingana na manifesto kilo gante vyake. Otumo mkwezo mbele kazi ile tuko nayo ni kutoa Jubilee na after mkitoa Jubilee
mtafanya. Lakini nyama manifesto ile we really don't honor them. No tukile manifesto
it is better you have a manifesto kende tuko judge nayo. Jona ndio tuko judge Jubilee kulingana na manifesto yao. They feel what they had promised us. Na ndio au kaji kuita Jubilee na ndio na toka hapo judge na MB. Kazi yenu ni kutoa Jubilee na ndipo kuita Jubilee imbi ngine na after 5 years ile mimi na boje ba tuira kazi yetu ilikuwa kutoa Jubilee
naitwa
meritere ejo tuira tiri tukathithia mantu za kiroje tukathithia ojo KLD kia tukathithia ojo ke jobs tukathithia ojo ke youth and employment ke mantu na matano na nini na ingete ta pratano nini de siji nukuona mortality rate tukamenyia ujitigo tako kuwa peace tukadia ta manto security yetu manzo ijo kenda to mbigo kujaja ajo Martin lakini kujo gatwira what I have decided ni tumekuja pamoja kutoa Jubilee na mpaka tuone hapo kaite within 5 people. What about the rest?
By the way, tukirekeria wakini no tukuona thaci etu ikuthira no tukuweta manto ya kugaiti ni watho wiku bwa atumira kana how legal is it kwithira kwina chief cabinet secretary na nini bawe beli how legal is it?
You know, that thing is not provided for in the constitution. Na bamusale limwaba ilawa tukienda pale tutabadilisha itujemo yusekenya ora chirikari. Even if it was provided for. Nande kukuwa together tuna chief premier minister. Chief premier minister.
Yeah, something.
That position is not created for. Na we shall create it. What if you go to parliament na withdraw utina majority?
Yeah.
Non tukuona na senyora pakete teta
hizi nasa kia kwanza toeta referendum.
Kiki kintu kira bakugerio twira. Na itu referendum chakenya ora chithirikari. Let them tell us. Now, you know, the truth is, one is playing the other. Au kuwa ntuvochero. Kuna watu wanacheswa hapo, watu wa kucheswa. No kuona, no tukagita karabu wache, buko siasa na rafu mbele siasa ingecha referendum kana to create these positions. Ikendele tuward. Para itu rojo kayo internal security, oje finance, kintu kireo turetikia. Kanora wetangule eriyo ka speaker. But how will you be the speaker?
Speaker keringa
kura kidhero digwa Wiper ODM Ford Kenya Amani hivyo fronted candidates in Nairobi na Jubilee na candidate umwe au watu wakienda wagawe kura zao Jubilee akurukira katikati na ugono ulikana nyana to hara walba inoritia baba na mwera tiri inaleta baba na mwera Jubilee tapitia katikati yao kama watakuwa na one candidate wa NASA
na ibare maneno
kura chao na baba ugono ulikana baba atwirire bakawa kona we strong nini ile kuntu kureja Nairobi Mombasa bena candidate umwe indi bare mero kuna ito teretone
wakili thank you so much no tubakweja ndirero thaci etu ikuthira unfortunately tukiararia na nirwaria nkuthwani kinya no rwite na mbere nkuruki ethari mutegeri wa TV ni bwega sana.